Mechanical keyboards have surged in popularity among typists, gamers, and music producers, thanks to their tactile feedback, durability, and customizable features. For musicians, mechanical MIDI keyboards offer precision, responsiveness, and an enjoyable hands-on experience during composition and performance.
List number 1. Akai Professional MPK Mini MK3 25-key USB MIDI keyboard controller. The Akai MPK Mini MK3 is a compact yet powerful 25-key USB MIDI controller designed for musicians, producers, and performers. Its mechanical keys are highly responsive, making it ideal for both fast-paced performances and detailed studio work. The 8 backlit MPC-style pads are perfect for drum programming, finger drumming, or triggering samples, while the 8 assignable knobs allow real-time control over effects, virtual instruments, and DAW parameters. The MPK Mini MK3 also features a built-in arpeggiator with adjustable latch and tempo controls, enhancing creative possibilities. Its OLED display provides easy access to essential settings, streamlining workflow during live performances or recording sessions. The keyboard is USB-powered, eliminating the need for external power sources, and its lightweight design ensures portability for producers on the go. Durability is a highlight, with a solid chassis that withstands frequent use, while the intuitive layout ensures that even beginners can quickly master its features. Overall, the Akai MPK Mini MK3 combines versatility, robust build quality, and creative functionality, making it a top choice for home studios and mobile producers seeking a reliable, feature-packed MIDI keyboard.
List number 2. Akai Professional MPK Mini Plus. The Akai MPK Mini Plus expands on the classic mini controller design, offering 32 velocity-sensitive keys, 16 pads, and enhanced assignable controls. This mechanical MIDI keyboard is designed for precision, allowing musicians to trigger notes, samples, and effects with responsive accuracy. Its compact form factor makes it ideal for home studios and mobile production setups. The MPK Mini Plus features an intuitive control layout, including faders and rotary knobs for adjusting parameters in real time. It also integrates seamlessly with popular DAWs and virtual instruments, allowing smooth workflow and creative freedom. Its backlit pads and mechanical keys provide both tactile feedback and visual cues for enhanced performance. Built with durability in mind, the MPK Mini Plus withstands frequent use while remaining lightweight and portable. The included arpeggiator and note repeat features enhance creativity, allowing musicians to generate complex sequences effortlessly. For those seeking a versatile, compact, and reliable MIDI keyboard, the Akai MPK Mini Plus offers exceptional value without compromising professional performance capabilities.
List number 3. Nectar Technology Impact LX49 MK3. The Nectar Impact LX49 MK3 is a 49-key USB MIDI controller designed for musicians seeking extended range and control options. Its semi-weighted mechanical keys deliver excellent tactile feedback and precision, perfect for both live performance and studio recording. The LX49 MK3 features 8 assignable knobs, 9 faders, and 8 trigger pads for dynamic interaction with DAWs and virtual instruments. This keyboard stands out with deep DAW integration, supporting major software like Cubase, Logic, Ableton Live, and Studio One. Transport controls, play, stop, record buttons, and dedicated DAW mapping improve workflow and reduce reliance on a mouse or keyboard. The lightweight chassis ensures portability, while its durable build can withstand frequent gigging or studio sessions. The Impact LX49 MK3 also includes octave shift buttons, pitch bend and modulation wheels, and LED indicators for precise control over performance. Whether for electronic music production, recording, or live performance, this controller offers a balance of functionality, key feel, and value, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced musicians.
List number 4. MIDI Plus AKM320 MIDI Keyboard Controller. The MIDI Plus AKM320 is a 32-key MIDI keyboard controller, offering mechanical keys with smooth velocity sensitivity.
Designed for musicians seeking affordable yet reliable performance, the AKM320 supports real-time music production with its assignable pitch and modulation wheels, octave buttons, and sustain functions. Its compact size makes it ideal for desktop setups or mobile production environments. The AKM320 integrates seamlessly with major DAWs, including Ableton Live, FL Studio, Logic Pro, and more. Its USB connectivity ensures plug-and-play functionality without additional power sources. While it lacks extensive pads or knobs like higher-end models, it delivers responsive keys and intuitive controls suitable for composing, recording, or practice sessions. Durability is maintained through a lightweight but sturdy construction, suitable for both home and mobile setups. Its affordable price point, coupled with essential MIDI functionality, makes the MIDI Plus AKM320 a solid choice for beginner producers or musicians who need a reliable compact MIDI keyboard without extra frills.
List number 5. Arturia MiniLab 3 Universal MIDI Controller for Music Production. The Arturia MiniLab 3 is a premium 25-key mechanical MIDI controller designed for maximum versatility and creative control. Its mechanical keys are highly responsive, while the 16 RGB backlit performance pads provide expressive trigger options for samples, drums, or loops. The controller features 24 assignable encoders, pitch bend and modulation touch strips, and integrated DAW mapping for smooth workflow. Arturia MiniLab 3 comes with Analog Lab Lite software, offering hundreds of virtual instruments and sounds to kickstart production immediately. Its compact design makes it perfect for desktop setups or mobile music production. The USB-powered unit ensures hassle-free connectivity, while its sturdy construction guarantees long-lasting reliability even with heavy use. The controller's layout is intuitive, enabling both beginners and experienced producers to access complex control features without difficulty. Its combination of key responsiveness, performance pads, and programmable knobs makes it an all-in-one solution for music creation. Overall, the Arturia MiniLab 3 delivers unmatched value, versatility, and professional-grade performance for producers seeking a feature-rich, compact MIDI keyboard.